get quiet on the set, y'all. Recording We Slip Out. Take one. We slip out. Alright, Boss, whenever you're ready. Okay.
Hey y'all! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Rockstar Cartoonist.
We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. Well, we slip out right now, go downtown, what would they think? Yeah. What do you think? Oh, we slip out right now and run away.
My name is Emily. This over here. Oh wow. This over here is Michael Lyons.
I know it's no federal crime, but you let me down, way down this time. I know I never once crossed your mind, but you left me down in the dirt, and I was so far behind. We slip out right now and run away.
Take it down, bonjour, Michael Lyons. Say hello.
Hey everybody, how you doing?
And start the show today. We're going to do this song. You wrote this song, didn't you? What's this song called?
The song is called We Slip Out.
We Slip Out. Now, what does We Slip Out mean?
It's about we slip out, go downtown.
You said
You a drink?
in bed it's over. Oh, I cried just a little inside. Why did I get sober? I know I never once crossed your mind, but you left me down.
No, that was pretty good.
Alright. Hey, why don't you sing it?
Alright. Well, you have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana Boozhoo. I will see you again. Giga Rabba Mid, Minawai. Oh,
Right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown. What would they think? We could get ourselves. Get ourselves. Forget ourselves. Forget ourselves. We could get ourselves. Get ourselves and just forget ourselves. Forget ourselves.
all right.
Alright.
There you have it. We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. By Michael Lyons, We Slip Out. life was so unkind. Your love was my peace of mind. And start recording. Where's my book? Little Cutie. Hey everybody, this is Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. And you are watching Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Today, we're going to be reading from none other than... Actually, why don't I pull this up? La-di-da. My book, Little Cutie. And I thought we could, read it. This is the Little Cutie table read. Table read. So I'm here today, of course, with Nana Boozhoo and Natasha Boozhoo. And Little Cutie is available for sale on Amazon.com. Okay. How about I do the narration and you guys can fight over the voices. I'll be Little Cutie.
All right. Little Cutie by Michael Lyons. There's a little picture of Little Cutie. He's a red and white teddy bear. And I used to have a teddy bear that was red and white like that, named Little Cutie. So, once upon a reservation in northern Minnesota, there lived a ragged red and white teddy bear. Little Cutie stayed in a house nestled deep within a jack pine forest with a family and a young girl named Aubrey. Things had been terrific for years. Aubrey and Little Cutie were inseparable best friends. They spent many long afternoons together playing dress-up and stuffed animal parade. Aubrey would even read comic books out loud to Little Cutie, sometimes making up the story when the words were too big or too many to read for real. But lately, Little Cutie had noticed how Aubrey seemed preoccupied with playing with her friends, drawing cartoons on the kitchen table, and dancing in front of the mirror to music played really loud. To make matters worse, the adults had been talking about the two of them. Little Cutie was sitting on the floor next to the couch when the big male human said to his wife, "Isn't Aubrey getting a little old for stuffed animals?" It was painfully clear to the small, tattered bear he had worn out his welcome. Little Cutie sat at the back bedroom window with a heavy heart and a lump in his throat and sighed. Suddenly, a Jitamo appeared before Little Cutie, having scurried down the underside of a tree branch to ask, "What's the matter, Little Cutie? You don't look yourself."
It's Aubrey, he replied. I think she's outgrown me.
Are you sure, Niji? The little red squirrel said. She doesn't seem like the type to me, but then, what do I know about humans? Ajitamu furiously scratched behind his right ear for a split second and asked, "What are you going to do?"
I don't know what to do,
Little Cutie replied.
but I don't see how I can really stay. What do you think I should do?
I'll be honest with you, Little Cutie. I never understood how you could live with them humans in the first place. I don't let them within 20 feet of me.
They've always been good to me,
Little Cutie replied.
I couldn't imagine living with anyone else.
Ajitamu tilted his head to one side and raised an eyebrow, and asked, "What about bears? I mean, you are one, aren't you? Are you telling me you've never lived with your own kind?"
I guess not.
Then there you go, Niji. Ajitamu's eyes lit up with excitement at the idea. You'll go live with the bears at the old res dump.
I don't know, Agitamu. That's a pretty big decision,
Little Cutie said.
What if I don't like living at a dump?
That's a good point. Maybe you should go on what they call a vision quest.
What's a vision quest?
I'm not really sure. But I bet you Migazy knows all about it. They say he's the most traditional of all the eagles.
Yeah. Would you introduce me to him?
Agitamu twitched and exclaimed, Oh, I don't think so, Niji. The only one he trusted less than humans was Migazy. I'd like to help you, Little Cutie, but I've got a strict policy of avoiding birds of prey, Agitamu said. If you want to find him, you'll have to walk down to the lake on your own. Little Cutie lifted the screen of the window and carefully made his way down the side of the birch tree. He took one long and possibly last look at the only home he had ever known. Wiping away a solitary tear from his black felt eye, Little Cutie turned to Agitamu and said,
Thanks, Niji.
Hang in there, Little Cutie. You'll work it out, Agitamu replied, and quickly darted away. Should we stop right there? Yeah, that'd be a good place. And we'll pick it up from there tomorrow. You have been listening to me read Little Cutie, A Teddy Bear's Vision Quest. This is part 1. Now, on with the show. Okay, hey, Boujou!
Boujou!
Welcome to Boujou Nana Boujou. I am Nana Boujou.
And I am Natasha.
And we'd like to invite you to join the Boujou Crew membership channel. For $4.99 monthly, you get exclusive perks, exclusive members-only live streams, Auntie Tasha's moment of wisdom, huh, sweetie?
That's right.
And after today, I'd say
candid behind-the-scenes discussions with creator Michael Lyons, and new music videos, dead celebrity interviews from heaven, what have you, and of course, cat videos of Bagheera.
These were the golden days.
Click the link below. Join the Boujou Crew membership channel, $4.99 a month. We'll see you there. And I will see you again. Kiga Wabamin. Minawa.
So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well,
I don't know, but I can't complain.
God knows I've got my own
escape.
Late last night in my bedroom, a stranger arrived from beyond the moon, and he said he was here to learn and to teach that which was beyond our reach, and his eyes were huge and his mouth was small. Well, he moved like liquid at 4 feet tall. And I was was so scared I was screaming inside. Then he gave me a smoke, it eased my mind. We spoke about space and a lost earthling lover. I felt kinda strange when he asked, how's your mother? How's she been since I've been away? La 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 la. Casting shadows from electric blue light. An alien sat on my bed last night, and I saw my reflection in his ebony eyes, and I knew the truth and I knew the lies. He cried, "You're my flesh and my blood, you're my precious one. You're my flesh and my blood, now it's time to go. It's time to go. My earthling son, it's time to go. My earthling son, it's time to go. My earthling son, my earthling son, my earthling son, it's time to go. It's time to go.
I love that song.
Yeah, me too.
One, two, ready, go.
Casual fight by candlelight as the room grew dim. You lied to me when you talked about him. I remember your ways and you and me in a sad embrace. I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. I remember one day, and you and me in a pouring rain, water ran down my chin. So you pulled me close and you drank it in. I remember your ways
Hey everybody, if you'd like to support the show, please check the links in the description box. I have books for sale on Amazon.com. And we also have a Teespring account. We sell, coffee cups and t-shirts and leggings. And if you'd like to support the show financially, please leave us a tip at our GoFundMe page. We're trying to raise $8,000. Or you can leave a tip at, what's the other one called? We've got a Patreon page. Oh yeah, Patreon. You can help us a little bit every month on Patreon.
And we also have a PayPal account. If you just want to leave us a few bucks for a cup of coffee or something, you can click the link to PayPal, huh?
Yeah, that's right. Like, share, and subscribe. All right. Back to you, Natasha.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Emily Aubrey, and I Can Make You Love
Turn down the light, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me closely and don't patronize, don't patronize me, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart. I feel the power that you don't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. I'll close my eyes, then I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come, I'll do what's right. Just hold me, baby, and I'll give up the fight. And I will give up this fight. Oh, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart, and I feel the power that you won't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. If you don't. If you don't.
Oh, what?
darling.
All right, take two.
The song's called Wake and Bake. Should I get rid of this?
Yeah, why don't you get rid of that?
Okay, whenever you're ready.
But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountain skate. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes and some days, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid.
Sometimes,
Even in the middle of the day,
sometimes,
Stephen grins a little, so they say.
sometimes,
Sometimes, well, I wake and bake. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway, sway through the crowd to an empty space. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, let's dance for fear your grace should fall. Let's dance for fear tonight is all. Let's sway, you could look into my eyes. Let's sway under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. If you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. I took this walk to ease my mind, to find out what's gnawing at me. You wouldn't think to look at me, but I've spent a lot of time in education. It all seems so long ago. I'm a thinker, not a talker. I've no one to talk to anyway. I can't see the rain for the tears in my eyes. I live above the grocer's store, owned by an Austrian. He often calls me down to eat, and he jokes about his broken English, tries to be a friend to me. But for all my years of reading conversation, I stand without a word to say. I can't see the bridge for the rain in my eyes. And the world is full of life, full of folk who don't know me. And they walk in twos or threes or more, while the lamp that shines above the grocer's store investigates my face so rudely, and my essays lying scattered on the floor fulfill their needs just by being there. And my hands shake, my head hurts, my voice sticks inside my throat. I'm invisible and dumb, and no one will recall me. And I can't see the water for the tears in my eyes. With a torch in your pocket and the wind at your heels, you climbed on the ladder, and you know how it feels to get too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. There were unicorns and cannonballs, palaces and piers, trumpets, towers, tenements, wide oceans full of tears, flags, rags, ferry boats, scimitars and scarves, every precious dream and vision underneath the stars. Yes, you climbed on the ladder with the wind in your sails. You came like a comet, blazing your trail, too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. That's how that poem goes. All right. She said it's none of my business, but it breaks my heart. I dropped a dozen cheap roses in my shopping cart. I made it out to the truck without breaking down. I guess everybody knows you in a speed trap town. Never did occur to me to leave. It never did occur to me to leave. And it's a Thursday night, but there's a high school game. Sneak a bottle up the bleachers and forget my name. And these 5A bastards run a shallow cross. It's a boy's last dream and a man's first loss. It never did occur to me to leave till tonight, when there's no one left to ask if I'm alright. I'll sleep until I'm straight enough to drive, then decide if there's anything that can't be left behind. Doctor said Daddy wouldn't make it a year, but the holidays are over and he's still here. long can they keep you in the ICU? Veins through the skin like a faded tattoo. He was a tough state trooper till a decade back, when that girl who wasn't mama caused his heart attack. It never did occur to me to leave till tonight, when I realized he'll never be alright. I signed my name and I said my last goodbye, then decide that there's nothing left that can't be left behind. The road got blurry when the sun came up, so I slept a couple hours in my pickup truck. Had a cup of coffee at an Indian mound, 1,000 miles away from that speed trap town. It never did occur to me to leave. It never did occur to me to leave. What went on there? Did they wanted you to play with Ace and Peter? And they're like, oh yeah, we didn't want to do that because the real Kiss are these two guys, nobody knows their names anymore, dressed up as Ace and Peter. But Rock and Roll Hall of Fame didn't want, half a Kiss cover band playing for their little award show. And so they wouldn't play. And Paul said, yeah, if Ace and Peter went up there, instead of calling us Kiss, they'd have to call us, Piss. Oh, really? Yeah. So Ace Frehley comes back with, hey, you better say you're sorry, or I'm going to tell some real dirt on you and Gene. I'm not sure why Gene got sucked into this, but yeah. You got 1 week, Ace says. So a week goes by. Ace goes back on the show, and he's like, yeah, Paul called. And the interviewer was like, did he say I'm sorry? He's like, no, he told me to F off. So here's the dirt. Did you know I actually designed the Kiss logo? And we're like, yeah, we've known that since 1974. Why are you still talking about that? Yeah, oh, by the way, I actually wrote the intro to... so? Nobody cares. I'm so sick of Kiss. And yet I can't stop watching and listening to everything they do. Anyway, so today, this all comes back to Niji, my friend. I want to talk about my friend Mark Furland. Oh, Mark's the best! Yeah. Mark says, you are my fave. You're my fave, Mark. I'm 8, but I love your videos. You're only 8 years old? Oh, I'm sorry I said the P word. The P word? Yeah, I said piss. That's not a swear word. Yeah, it's not that nice. Hey, Mark, I'm so glad you're here. Do you like The Rock or Tech 9? The Rock as in Dwayne Johnson? I haven't seen any of his movies. He sure is muscular. I'll give him that much. But I don't think I've ever seen The Rock. And Tech 9, I'm pretty sure I kind of hate Tech 9. Really? Yeah, I'm not even sure who that is. But if it's who I think it is, No, I hate that stuff. I'm from the 80s. I grew up back in the days with our grandfathers. Welcome to our show, Mark. There's a lot of old farts who watch this show. And I want to apologize. A lot of Gen Xers. Generation X, they called us. You know, we're your elders now. But there was a time when I was 8 years old too. Yeah, me too. Yeah, Natasha too. We used to be young just like you. And I know I don't look it. But I remember what it was like to be 8. You know, you're not dumb. Let me tell you that. Yep, you're still a kid. But by 8 years old, you've seen some stuff already. You know something about love. You probably had a little puppy love crush on some girl in kindergarten. Maybe you were in love with your teacher and didn't dare tell anybody. You know. You might know something about friends. Did you know that in Ojibwe, we call my friend would be Niji. Now, if you have a female friend, sometimes you can have a friend who's a girl who's not even your girlfriend. Now, Natasha is my girlfriend. You know, that's different. I'll give her that word in a minute. But it's okay. You can have girlfriends who are not your girlfriend, okay? You know, my little sister was a really good friend when I was growing up. Because she was a good athlete. We could play basketball and football and baseball. And, you know, she was my sister, my real sister. What is sister? Let's see. Nishime is younger sibling. Nishime, yeah. And Donis is my dog. I can't remember. Oh well. I'm in 3rd and I have a crush. Uh-oh. 3rd grade crush. Is that real love? For sure it's real love. That's your first love. First love. Well, okay. Any advice for a 3rd grader in love? Just know that it's a wonderful thing. That's terrible advice. Here's my advice, buddy. What? Whatever you do, don't tell her. No! Yeah, that's emotional suicide. It's telling a girl you love her is like going to a duel. Remember those guys like in the Old West, a duel at dawn? You have to go out and meet a guy and you do 10 paces and turn around and shoot. Telling a girl you love her is kind of like that. If you miss, you're dead. If you say I love you, she might say thank you. You're a good friend. Good Niji. But it's okay to love her. Know that you love her. You be her best friend. Okay, let's here's some advice. What? She's a practice girlfriend. She's the first one, and you're probably going to have lots of girlfriends. So have fun. Don't take it seriously. But practice being a boyfriend. Practice being really nice. Practice being somebody who a girl might fall in love with. She tells you a secret, you keep that secret. You know, you be nice to her. Don't be critical of her. Be yourself. Yeah, be yourself. Yeah. Girls hate guys who are pretending to be somebody they're not. Nijikwe. When you get a little older, you're going to have a Nini Mushen, a sweetheart. Somebody you hold hands with in public. Yeah, huh? You know, you're not even embarrassed. Hold her hand. You know, get her a card, some chocolates at Valentine's Day. Say, hey, won't you be mine? And then eventually, because what this is, buddy, Mark, is practice for when you settle down with an old lady. With a ni windige magun. Ni windige, my spouse. know, a lot of us come from a long line of men who wifed up somebody. You know, so it's okay. Don't be too embarrassed. You come from a long line of guys who fell in love with a girl. You wouldn't be here if it wasn't for sweethearts and all that. Check. So here we are, drifting on an open sea. Here we are, and then again, we know. For all we know. I feel awfully, orange right now. Oh, you look beautiful. But why don't you turn on the camera? Yeah, good idea. All right. I'm just going to jump right in. Yeah, you go right ahead, darling. Hey, everybody. Bonjour. Welcome back to Rockstar Cartoonist. I am Michael Lyons, and I'm here once again today with the lovely and the talented Emily Aubrey. Hey, y'all, what's up? And today's show is brought to you once again by my book, Ojibwe Words and Phrases. Ojibwe Words and Phrases is a collection of Ojibwe words and phrases from the live stream podcast Buju Nana Buju. It's got stuff like months of the year, days of the week, greetings, animal names, weather, words, prayers, all kinds of stuff. Click the link in the description box below. Get your own copy before they run out. I don't know if it's possible for those books to run out. I mean, it's like print on demand. Yeah, I think if people want them, that they're gonna print them. Yeah. All right. So anyway, what else should we talk about today, sweetie? Well, you gotta talk about Kiss. Well, yeah, I gotta talk about Kiss. Today is Ojibwe word of the day, Ojim. Ojim. Did you know, sweetie, that the Ojibwe word for kiss was Ojim? Ojim, kiss. Why don't you come over here and give me a big old Ojim? Not now. I'm on our live stream. I don't want to turn this video into one of those kind of videos. But hey, Ojim, kiss. Now, back in the days of the grandfathers, I think it was 1973, a couple of Jews. Hey! What? Paul Stanley and Gene Simmons had a dream. They got together and they were like, hey, we want to be the band we never saw. And so they put on, they hired Ace Frehley to be a lead guitar player. And he was like, hey, I want to be in a band like I've never seen before. And pretty soon, called up Peter Criss. Like, hey, how would you like to be in a band like you've never seen before? And soon enough, they got together and they put on makeup and they came up with characters. Gene Simmons was the demon. Paul Stanley was the star child. Ace Frehley was the starman. Or not the starman, the spaceman. And Peter Criss, he was the Catman. And together, they made music. And this has been the story of Kiss. To learn more about Kiss... Hey, sweetie. Yeah? You got a call on line 2. Oh, really? Patch them through. All right, hang on. Hello, caller. Welcome to Rockstar Cartoonist. You're on the air. Hey there, Michael Lyons. It's me, Paul Stanley of Kiss.
Hey, Paul Stanley. I was just talking about Kiss. Sweetie, it's Paul Stanley. Well, hey there, Paul. How are you? Hey, Emily. I'm doing great. Whoa. Okay. What can I do for you, Paul? Well, I wanted to learn the Ojibwe word for kiss. Oh, yeah. Today's Ojibwe word is kiss. Like, the band you're in. Kiss in Ojibwe is Ojim. Ojim is working hard this year. Yeah, Ojim. So how's the end of the road tour treating you? Oh, it's all right. We're gonna end our tour next month in the O2 Arena in London. Yeah, you're finally gonna hang up the. Well, you don't really wear, I guess, your vest and your wig. That's right. I'm going to wipe off the makeup. I'm going to take off my wig. I'm going to get out of these ridiculous boots. And I'm just going to go home and I'm going to paint. That's right. You're a painter too. That's right. I love to paint. Yeah, let's here's a painting that Paul Stanley did. Yeah, right there. What do you think of that, sweetie? That's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, that's my self-portrait. That's right. Self-portrait by Paul Stanley of Ojima Kiss. All right, Paul. Well, I'm going to have to let you go. All right. Well, hey, don't you just remember, yeah? You got to rock and roll all night and party every day. Yeah, okay. I'll see you later, Paul. What? I said I'll see you later. What? I will see you later. What can't hear you? I know. Paul Stanley, sweetie. Yeah, he's hard of hearing. All right. Well, there you go. Today is the Ojibwe word of the day. Ojim. Kiss. And you have been watching Rockstar Cartoonist, the podcast about Ojibwe language, rock stars, and cartoonists. I am Michael Lyons. This is Emily Aubrey. And I will see you again. Gigawaba Min, Minowa. Hawa. All right. Good enough? That was great. All right, that's good.
Check, check, check. Check, check, check.
You got a cute way of talking. You got the better of me. Just snap my fingers and I'm walking. All right. Looking out on the morning rain. I used to feel so uninspired. You ready to get going, baby doll?
Yeah, sure, whenever you are.
Okay. All right, lights, camera, now. All right, let's get going. You want to start the intro music?
Oh, sure. Here, hang on.
Hey, y'all. Welcome back to Boojoo. Oh, for crying out loud, I just said Boojoo, not a Boojoo. Take two. Tap, tap. And cue the music plays. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Rockstar Cartoonist by Michael Lyons. My name is Emily Aubrey. And over here is the rock star cartoonist himself, Michael Lyons. Say hello, Michael Lyons.
Hey everybody, how you doing?
And today, you want to do a song right away?
Yeah, let's do Wake and Bake.
Wake and Bake. Now, what's this song all about, actually?
It's actually about smoking pot first thing in the morning.
You smoke pot first thing in the morning?
Yeah, you know I do.
Yeah, I do too. All right, this song is by Michael Lyons, and it's called Wake and Bake. All right, take it away. Take it away, sweetie.
But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Now so it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountain scale. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes it just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes and some days, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid.
Na na na.
Even in the middle of the day,
sometimes
Stephen grins a little, so they say.
one time,
Sometimes, well, I wake and bake.
Sometimes, well, I wake and bake. Wake and Bake, ladies and gentlemen, by Michael Lyons.
All right. That's all the time we have. Thanks so much.
She went home for the summer, and I don't know, my feelings changed or something. When she came back, I broke up with her. You broke up with her. Yeah. You broke up with her. Yep. You thought you could get somebody prettier than that. I thought I could get anybody I wanted. Yeah, okay. So, then what happened? Then after a few weeks, I changed my mind and realized I was insane. I tried to get her back. But by then it was too late. And I tried to get her back, but I couldn't. She had moved on. And then did you write a song about her? I did. And what was that song called, Natasha? Well, there's a new one. Write a song about a girl and then call the, with a girl's name. Beth, I hear you calling, but can't come home right now. Anyway. So why do you suppose broken hearts are so painful? What do you think, sweetie?
I don't know. Never had a broken heart.
You've never had a broken heart.
Nope. You're the only boyfriend I ever had.
Oh, that's right. I keep forgetting that.
Have you had a broken heart?
Oh, sure. You can't play the blues unless you had the blues. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Lost my job just the other day. And like everybody else, well, I got a mountain of bills that need to be paid. And I lost my way. Now I don't know which way to go. But the wind may blow and the grass may grow, and for all we know, now it just might snow. What'll I do? What have we become when the day is over and the night's begun? What'll I do about me and you? I told you before, we are so through. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. And I'm so sorry. I'd never treat you like that again. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said.
Well, now I'm bummed out.
Yeah, that's a sad song.
Gigawaba min, Manawa. I'll see you again.
Dog and Mainga.
By Michael Lyons. Hello.
Bonjour.
One.
Beijig.
One dog.
Beijig Anamosh.
One wolf.
Beijig Mainga.
2.
Nej.
2 eagles.
Nej Migizi Wug.
3.
Niswe.
3 bears.
Niswe Mukwug.
4.
Niwin.
4 raccoons.
Niwin Asi Vanang. Nanan.
5. 5 deer.
Nanan Wawa Shigeshi Wug.
6.
Ningod Waswe.
6 crows.
Ningod Waswe Andeg Wug.
7.
Nij Waswe.
7 rabbits.
Nij Waswe Wabuzug.
8.
Ish Waswe.
8 squirrels.
Ish Waswe Misa Jitamug.
9.
Jangaswe.
9 birds.
Jangaswe Beneshi Yug.
10.
Midaswe.
10 butterflies.
Midaswe Mamengwa. Mi Gwetch.
Thank you. Dog and Maingan.
By Michael Lyons. Available at
Amazon.com. This song is called Snow on Skin, and it's written by Michael Lyons. Miigwech Gabizendawieg. Thank you for listening.
And the road is closed. Still the cars pull in. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be a cool recess beneath these old pine trees. I don't remember where I've been. My past is the face like snow on skin. It's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on skin. And I know it never once crossed your mind, but you left me down in the dirt, and I was so far behind. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do we have? How long can we last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. but I can't move forward.
I can't move forward.
And I'm living in the past. But I've come so far. And I've come so far. And I've run so fast. And I've run so fast. How long do I have? How long can I last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin, and it's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on again and again, my friend, the end.
Snow on Skin by Michael Lyons.
I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school, I was nobody's fool. Down at Flandreau, I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. 'Cause this is no way to live. And I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. But on a fateful day, me and my brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to them tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back to a leather strap. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go. I remember it still. I saw a whippoorwill out on my windowsill. How could I sit still? So I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, where do you think you're going? Boy, I said I'm going home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Ni wiki way. Ni wiki way. Ni wiki way. Ni wiki way.